sodium bicarbonate, and sucrose that is sugar and baking soda, and an empty glass and a chopstick. Let's start. First, I will take a cup, take my 2 ingredients, and pour it. And now my assistant is going to put alcohol. And now I'm going to pour it inside. And now my assistant is going to light it on fire. Let's watch. Big, now let's smash it. Bye!